I'm Chantal.
And I'm Darren.
And we live in Boston. Well,
Jamaica Plain.
Jamaica Plain to be specific. Well, this is our first place together, so we're like establishing a sense of home, which is really cool. We really love this apartment, but we're really challenged with the living room. It's our main living space, so it has the majority of our stuff. There's all this upward space, and right now feels like this series of themed piles.
So we struggle with our aesthetic and then like our workspace.
I use the space mostly as a practice space for music, so I do my voice lessons in here. Also watch a good chunk of TV and sometimes do miscellaneous crafts.
When it comes to the furniture in here, it's mainly just acquired.
Straight out of college chic. I want to walk into a space and feel inspired to work. I'm excited to get hands-on. I'm excited to see the space change. I'm just excited to also put roots down and like really make this space ours and define who we are at this point in our lives. I feel awesome. It still doesn't even feel real. Like I woke up this morning and I came out, I like peeked around the door, check if it was still there. You know, I feel like I want to create when I walk into this space. So the way that our living room was before, everything felt like really cluttered and like it was kind of just pushing me down. And if I would have an idea for a song or something that I wanted to do, it was kind of just killing my creativity. The idea that I had in my head was kind of like when you walk into a recording studio lobby, how everything's organized, but like it's definitely indicative that musicians are there. That's what I wanted and like nailed it. Hello. I also wanted to use these walls. You know, I wanted everything to just shift upwards, and that's exactly what happened.
It makes it a lot easier to sit down and do it. You know, sometimes you can get your day off and say, well, I need to edit 4 hours of video, and you don't want to do it because you got to dig all the stuff out. And now it's just like, okay, cool. I'm already in my space. I'm sitting down where I like to be sat, and everything is at an arm's reach.
Creativity is so fleeting. You know, the muses come when they come and you can't control it.
You gotta act on it.
Exactly. So the moment it's there, you know the microphones are here, the cables are here, this desk is like ready and set. Really nice that this space is a home space, it's a relaxation space, it's a workspace, and it's an entertainment space. And it can be all of those seamlessly and just live your life better without that extra stress.
When you guys walk in the house now, like what's your first impression?